What's up, y'all? What's good? What's poppin'? Today, I'm doing a vlog. I'm gonna be linking up with my best friend in a little bit, or one of them. I'm gonna let y'all meet her in a little bit. Yesterday was actually her birthday, but we didn't get to link up, so we linking up today. I don't know what we doing. I don't know what we got planned. We were just going out the dome, and I'm just gonna take y'all with me. So, you welcome. For any of my Dragon Ball Z fans out there, you know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all the drip. Show the drip a little bit. Just something slight, nothing too major. It's more on the back, but I'm just giving you a little something, a little razzle-dazzle. Alright, enough of that. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so I literally just pulled up, like, right now. Right now. Best friend Ashley right here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see more of her, so just be prepared for that. Yes. Let's go get this food, this drink, see what's popping.
Starving.
Stomach in your back.
Yes, literally.
Damn thing. Oh yeah, you know we gotta be safe. Ain't no raw dogging out here. Ain't no raw dogging, man. About to get these motherfucking loaded baked potatoes. About to turn them hoes up. Alright, so we both got loaded potatoes, a little chopped brisket, you feel me? And got the same thing with some bacon. Get that bacon in there. You know. Alright, so for our Q&A.
I'm fat, child. I'm sorry. I gotta eat.
Do your thing. Shit, I'm about to eat too. So, first question is, where are you from?
Houston, Texas, baby.
Hey. Next question, single or taken? Or complicated?
I'm single.
Big single?
By choice.
By choice, y'all. All right, next question. What is your sign?
Sagittarius.
Sag. Y'all lied.
Water sign, whatever. Take all this.
Sagittarius. Next. What's your type and what do you prefer?
I don't have a type.
Okay.
It's really like a vibe with me, but I prefer nice, pretty white tea, so, you know.
Oh, yeah. Gotta come with the white tea.
Like, oh, hey, daddy.
Oh, my God.
But, yeah.
Okay.
I like the
white tea.
whites.
Can't go wrong with that. Pearly white, y'all. So, if y'all about to holler, come correct with y'all tea.
Yes.
Please.
Do.
Please.
Do.
Question is, are you a freak? These people nosy, man. They're going to find out.
Told.
You said so you've been told?
So I've been told.
Okay.
But a lady never tells.
Keep it on the hush. Favorite foods? And yeah, she big fatty on the inside.
Let's see. Number one, crawfish. I can eat crawfish year round. I would eat crawfish year round.
Crawfish, oh yeah.
Love oysters.
Oysters, too.
Any kind of fried catfish. They say any
fried
kind of
catfish. Okay.
Shit, I love salmon. I love tacos.
Oh yeah.
Oxtails.
Oxtails. Biggest pet peeve?
Not owning up to your shit.
Go in detail for the people.
If I ask you a question, or even like beat around the bush about anything, I already know the answer, so don't even like beat around the bush.
Please.
If you did it, you did it. If you didn't, you didn't. But like, own up to your shit.
Facts. Nobody likes a liar.
Yeah, I hate that shit.
Favorite 2 songs on the radio right now? Told y'all. Big fatty.
Pop Smoke, Thief in the Night. That's my shit.
Hey.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Thief in the night. Hey.
And then Chris Brown, Go Crazy.
Okay.
Yes.
Red.
Trips to my crib in the middle of the night.
Hey. Yeah. All right. Last craziest place you did. You're nasty. These folks crazy. Nosy.
Yeah, people are nosy.
No.
So,
Take a sip on that, y'all.
Right. Okay. Craziest place. At the park, on top of a car.
Wow. At night or during the day?
No, it's definitely at night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm about to say, dang.
Yeah, I ain't that bold.
During the day.
I ain't that bold.
Yeah.
It was definitely at night.
Dang. Alright, y'all. So we had to cut that video short. You know, my phone battery was dying and shit. You know how that shit go. But anyways, yeah, that's just a Q&A. Let y'all know my best friend. Like I said, she gonna be making her own YouTube channel pretty soon. And we're thinking about doing a combined one, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we're gonna close it out with this, something cute. So, hope y'all enjoy. Y'all never seen a cat suck their thumb?